Good afternoon, good morning, good night to everybody who is watching this. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, I'm just gonna do the same old videos I've been doing. It's gonna be a little trade recap. I took two trades today, which I consider them in one. They count as one big trade to me. They're also two trades. This trade was taken at around 12:30, so I'm gonna skip the whole 9:30 thing today because there was not much action for me to take there. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So here's the 15-minute chart on the Nasdaq. Um, and then right here on this 15-minute candle, we have London low SMT with ES and YM, and then Asian session low SMT with ES and YM. Now I'm gonna jump down to my 1 minute. I was originally looking to get long off of this breaker, so I will call this the original breaker. It's -2 and 2.5 is in close proximity with New York lunch high, and it's -4 and 4.5 is in close proximity with this 15-minute SIBI and this 15-minute breaker. Go back down to the 1 minute. Actually, let's go to the 5 minute. We have this potential. We go back all the way over here. We have this potential 5-minute SIBI to be inversed, and we have this 5-minute swing that could turn into a 5-minute breaker. Drop down to my 1 minute now. This 1 minute breaker gets confirmed, but never gives an entry, and close very high above it, and also inverse that 5-minute BISI. So now my eyes are on this breaker right here that I have outlined with the blue line. So then if I put my fib on this breaker, it's -2.5 and -2 is once again lined up within this, somewhat within the SIBI, a little bit higher than the SIBI, and the -2.5 is on the 10 o'clock open, and -4 and 4.5 are on weekly highs, previous week highs. So now I'm looking higher for price. We get a close above. I enter right here, and I put my stop loss at the lows. This is how the position looked, and this is what I'm targeting. So this would have been my take profit. Now let's just play through price here. Right here, we confirm our 5-minute breaker. To me, this was a clear indication that we were going to go higher now, and that my TP was going to be hit. Right when we print this 5-minute breaker, we get an immediate rebalance into this breaker and an immediate rejection. So immediate rebalance just means we retest the breaker and we see a fast reaction off of it right after it was confirmed. So then here I'm watching price, and at this point in price, we have 15 minutes SIBI SMT. So my stop is moved break even. The other three assets did not take this 15-minute SIBIs, or did not trade into that 15-minute SIBI. The other two assets, I'm sorry. Here I'm watching price, and I'm thinking to myself, if this breaker prints, I am getting out of my longs and I'm flipping short. There you go. This breaker confirms. I am entering shorts now off of this 15-minute SIBI SMT, and the projections of the original breaker were met. We traded into this 15-minute SIBI and this 15-minute breaker. 15-minute breaker. Back to the 1 minute. I'm putting my fibs on. So we trade into this 15-minute unicorn. We meet projections on the retracement. We have SIBI SMT, and we print a breaker in a key time, which is the 1320 through 1340 SMR window. And I simply target -2 standard deviation. And you see that trade is hit very fast through TP. This was very ideal trading. This was very clean price action as we waited all morning for this shit show of barcode PA. Patience paid. We have a session liquidity play to capture around 1R, and then we have a short that gave us 2R. And actually not sure how the rest of the day played out, if we even ended up taking lunch low. We did. That would have been sweet. And then these longs look sweet as well. Oh, never mind. Never gave an opportunity to long. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me today. I took these two trades. I walked it long, flipped short, and that's pretty much it. It was a great day. I hope I catch a W to post a trade recap tomorrow. And thank you all for tuning in. Much love. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.